Happy morning, children. Transition words. I already sent you a video, but for more clarity, I'm sending this now. What are transition words? Words show the relationship between ideas, sentences, and even paragraphs. 2 or 3 sentences are there. When 2 sentences are there, you give one something to connect or give more stress to the sentence to emphasis. Emphasis means giving underlining, like underlining or stressing on the point. You give some meaning to the sentence and enhance the sentence, betterment of the sentence. For that you use transition words. See, you have to remember this one. What are the examples of different transition words? Before that, transition words are 3. Words to emphasize, words to show a contrast. Contrast means difference. Emphasis na stress kudukuradhu. Words to add information, extra information add பண்றது. Emphasize, contrast, add information. Contrast is differentiate பண்றது. Transition words to emphasize. In fact, definitely, surely I will come அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறத விட surely I will come. If you say like that, if you give more emphasis, then it will be better to speak in that way. Transition words to show contrast is the differentiating. But, however, yet, these are some of the words for contrast. So what you have to do now, I give you sentences, you have to tell me the answers for that. Add information, therefore, besides, next, and. If you don't add also, the meaning will not change here, but it will give you a flow to the language and it will make the sentence better. See here, circle the transition words. Okay, first one is circle the transition words and write in the space provided. What you have to write? The type comparison, emphasis. What is that? Comparison or emphasis? You have to write. Okay, I ate as fast as I could, but. So but you are circled and you are writing it is comparison. Then dengue is a life threatening, especially for children and elderly, especially emphasis. Next one, I did not say that surely you don't believe it. That is surely is a emphasis. So note down this one, which is emphasis, which is contrast, and you have to tell the correct answer. We walked for more than an hour. Finally we spotted a restaurant. Finally, addition. Besides, addition. Okay, so addition, comparison, emphasis. What are the words for emphasis? In fact, definitely, sure. Contrast, that is comparison, but, however, yet. Add information, therefore, besides, next, and. So remember that. And how will you tell this exercise? This one, underline the transition words in the given below and label them A for addition, E for emphasis, and C for contrast. I have so much to do, but I am too sleepy right now to do anything. But is contrast. Okay, first we are going to park, next we will visit the zoo, finally. These are all transition words of addition, additional information. Okay, and next is I don't like dogs, especially since I was bitten by one as a child. Especially, emphasis. Maria is working very hard on a sketching. In fact, she worked all day yesterday. Emphasis, in fact. Ram has become a very rich man, yet he continues. So one is opposite to the other. One sentence becomes opposite of the other. They are comparing, that is contrast. So C will come. Yet, but and all. Okay. Thank you, children. Please go through the grammar and whatever is sent to you. Start reading. You will have exams shortly.